Have you ever wondered how to actually place a binary option trade? In this video, I'll walk you through step by step from opening your account, choosing an asset to clicking your first trade. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how it works before risking your real money. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to Make Money with Karen, where we explore realistic ways of making money online. If you're brand new here, hit that subscribe button because I'm making a whole beginner-friendly series on binary option. First, you will need a trading platform. The link to this platform called Pocket Option is in the description of this video. Then you can start with a demo account to choose a strategy you're comfortable with and practice with it first. Then thirdly, you choose a currency pair. You come to this place written Euro USD. Mine is showing Euro USD. Yours can show another thing. You click on it. You will see all the different currency pairs. As a beginner, stick to currency pairs. Leave stock, leave Bitcoin and the rest. Just stick to currency pairs. They are the easiest to work with. And take note, what is happening in a currency pair is not what is happening in another currency pair. You see, now in this currency pair, the market is consolidating. Please do not trade in a market like this. The market is consolidating. Do not trade in a market like this. You see, this is another one. Something else is happening in this currency pair, and that is how they work. So when practicing with a strategy, make sure you go through the currency pairs and see the one that has the exact setup that you need. You come to here written time, you click on it. If your trade is going to last for 1 minute, you change it to 1 minute. If it's going to last for 3 minutes, you change it to 3 minutes. If it's going to last for 5 minutes, you change it to 5 minutes. Do not exceed between 1 to 5 minutes. Then here written buy or sell. This is the place you click. Let's assume you think the market is going to go up. Then you click on the green button. After 5 minutes, you will make your profit. Let's assume you think the market will come down. You click on the red button. After 5 minutes or after 1 minute or after 3 minutes, depending on the amount of time you choose to trade with, then either you make your profit or you lose your money. That is why you need to really practice your strategies very well before risking your real money. Then let's assume you want to put money into your account. You click on this place shown wallet and it's going to take you to all the different types of putting money into your account. You click on it. It's going to show you bank transfer. If you're in Nigeria, it's going to show you bank transfer NGN and the amount. The list is $50. You continue. It will bring you to this site. It will show you the bank account and the bank name you're going to send the money to. And once you've done the payment, you can come back and say, I have made a transfer, and that is it. You'll be credited in less than 10 minutes. It's that simple. These are key beginner tips. Always practice on demo account first. Start small. Don't rush into $100 trades. Start with little as $1 or $2, and please don't place more than 2 trades a day. Focus on learning strategies. Only trade on legit platforms like Pocket Option. The link will be in the description of this video. And that's it. You now know how to place your first binary option trade. In my next video, I'll show you the easiest beginner strategy you can actually use to increase your chances of making profits. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Bye. See you in my next video.